Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make your ULEFONE Armor X7 louder. So in the first step, let's open the Play Store. Tap on the search bar and look for the Volume Booster app. Choose the app from the executive or just Volume for Android and open it. Close the ad and choose Accept. Now the tool is active. You can increase or decrease the booster power by this little slider, so just add this to your needs. If you want to turn off this application, you have to click on the Stop Boosting, and this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, that was all I recommend, and goodbye.